Planys is the brainchild of IIT Madras alumni and faculty, incepted in 2015 to bring about a paradigm shift in underwater asset inspection. Aging infrastructure is a vital problem worldwide, and underwater inspections are done to avoid catastrophic failures like dam bursts, bridge collapses, or oil and gas platforms going down. Current inspection solutions are manual, highly expensive, and non-digital. With a growing automation and digitalization in the world, an integrated long-term asset monitoring system is desired that is safer, addresses modern challenges, and can provide insights to asset owners. We envision to steer a new course in the maintenance industry by bringing in disruptive innovations in the field of marine robotics, advanced non-destructive testing, and an AI-enabled digital reporting platform. Planys provides underwater inspection solutions using indigenously developed ROVs. Planys ROVs provide unlimited endurance, can access higher depths, can enter confined and hazardous locations, make operations safer, and offer accurate, reliable, and repeatable data. Introducing the Planys ROV fleet. Planys ROVs compact with various design features that make them suitable for performing inspections across various sectors. Capabilities include HD videography, live streaming to end user, laser-aided defect quantification, ultrasonic thickness gauging, spot cleaning, hydrographic surveys, turbid water inspections, and a one-of-a-kind digital reporting dashboard. Planys caters to multiple sectors such as maritime, which includes ports and shipping, infrastructure, which includes dams and bridges, and energy. Applications include railway bridge inspections, highway bridge inspections, hydroelectric projects, and many more. To date, we have filed 30+ patents, launched 6 indigenously developed products, delivered 130+ projects across 8 sectors in India, Netherlands, and Saudi Arabia. Planys is headquartered out of Chennai and operates a state-of-the-art test facility that enables the team to design, develop, and test innovative technologies. Planys is backed by a multidisciplinary team of 80+ young, passionate, and hardworking individuals with domain expertise in robotics, non-destructive testing, and ocean engineering. Planys is a proud recipient of several national and international accolades for its technology and uniqueness in the industry.
Our one-stop technology solutions are helping asset owners take data-driven decisions for efficient planning of maintenance and repairs in a much more accurate, safe, and efficient way.